Hello, I'm Austin Ame and welcome to my channel. This actually is our first video on the channel, so let's brief a little. Resort NG is a digital marketing agency that helps businesses to boost their sales both locally and globally. The goal of this channel is to help digital marketers and business owners with some tips that will help them get more sales and to boost their SEO ranking. Now in this video I'll be explaining to you how to install Keywords Everywhere on your browser. Keywords Everywhere is a browser extension which helps you to get related keywords to your search term. The goal of this is to help you out with some keywords that could boost your SEO. Okay, you're here. Since you're installing for Chrome, click on install for Chrome. Then you wait for the page to load. Very important, if you're not signed in on a Google account, you need to sign in first before you can proceed. Click on this add to Chrome, add extension, and just for the page to load up. Okay, good. Then now let's try search for a keyword or something like online digital marketing courses. Okay, and I can see this metric showing the rate at which this keyword is being searched for on Google. That is this keyword, online digital marketing courses. Scrolling down, you find other related keywords like online marketing courses, free online courses, free online digital marketing courses with certificate by Google, digital marketing courses PDF, and so on. We have a lot of them here. You can choose to use these keywords in your content so as to get more traffic on your site. In order to get more details about this keyword, you need to get some units first. Okay, that's about Chrome. Now let us quickly teach how to install it on Firefox. Click on the Firefox, then not now. Yeah, here we are. KeywordsEverywhere.com. Just wait for the page to come up. Then click on install for Firefox. Here we are at Firefox. Tap on this link. Yep, here it is. Click on add. Yeah, okay, got it. Now let's search for a keyword, something like free keyword research tools. I can see some related keywords here. It's not like, okay, you have the metric here. You can see some related keywords here, like Google Keyword Planner 2 free, Google Keyword Planner free, Google Keyword Tool, Keyword Tool YouTube, and so on. Now this metric now shows for like all the like search results for all time, starting from 2004 till date. Like I said, I had a lot of search, like got a lot of traffic in 2007, January 2007, and all that. So you can see installing keywords everywhere on your browser is not a difficult task at all. All you require to do is you open the link keywordsEverywhere.com, click on add to Chrome or Firefox depending on the browser you're using. Then if you're not logged in, if you're not signed into your Google account, that's for Chrome, then log in and then click on add to Chrome or add to Firefox. If you like this video, do well to share it with your friends, click on the like button and comment if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time. I'm Austin Ame.